This first practice question, number 7, can be solved with a simple proportion. We were given that Hank ran 12 miles in 90 minutes, and we have to figure out how far he can run in 1 hour. Well, the word hour is kind of a distractor here because 1 hour is exactly the equivalent of 60 minutes. So in a proportion, we'll put the 60 minutes right across from the 90 minutes, and then we're going to solve for how many miles he completed in that time. We're going to simply cross multiply. We have the 12 times 60, which gives us 720. And then the other cross product is 90 times x, which is 90x. And our last step will be to use the inverse operation of division. And this actually works out pretty well because once the zeros cross cancel, you're left with 72 divided by 9, which gives us a final answer of 8. So the answer is Hank ran 8 miles in 1 hour. Question number 8 is another rate question. And we've got Joe using 2 cups of salsa to make 3.5 servings of dip, while Jolene uses 3.25 cups to make 5 servings. The question asks which recipe uses more salsa per serving. Now I did translate on there for you. That would be cups per serving. And as soon as you see the word per, we can actually substitute a division sign in its place. So what we're going to do for each of these different people is cups divided by servings, and that'll tell us how many cups they use per serving. So with Joe, it's 2 cups divided by 3.5 servings. Now I'm going to do this without a calc just to show you the proper way, and that 3.5 we're going to turn into a fraction because I'd like to use our keep change flip, and 3 1/2 we can't do our division yet until we turn that into an improper, which would be like the backward C, as you say, and you'll multiply 2 times 3, which is 6, add the 1 to get 7. Final step, we'll have 2 times 2/7, and for Joe, we notice that he uses 4/7 of a cup per serving. So now we've just got to calculate Jolene's to see how hers compares to that 4/7 of a cup. I'm just going to erase this that we had to give us a little more room. And for Jolene, she had 3.25 cups divided by 5 servings. Again, we're going to convert that, which would be 12 plus 1, which is 13/4. And instead of divided by 5, we're going to change to multiplication and flip it. And this gives us 13/20. Now, probably a calculator will help you when you do the division here. In this case, the 4/7 as a decimal is going to be approximately 0.57. Again, that's approximate. And the 13/20, you see, that's going to be about exactly 6/500. So who used more per serving? Well, that would be Jolene, because the 6/500, no doubt about it, is greater than 5/700. So when you do the actual take home, you're just going to do unit rates for each of these and then compare. Good luck.